nice, the airport. Oh, ha? Bago na ang airport nila. Bongga na ng airport natin. Very Pinoy, Pilipinas.
Magkuha ng bag kasi mabili naman ako.
Oo. Tapos, hindi pa nag-uumpisa ang bakasyon.
Airplane pa.
Nagtatantrums na yung
Airport
isa.
pa.
Bakit kaya ganyan yun? Nagtatantrums palagi. Ayaw na papagsabihan.
Ako lang ba parang possessed?
Grabe. Ito, kanina to. Ikaw, yun lang? Kalil, wala?
Wala ako.
Chocolate na lang. May daga, alam, may daga. Di ba dito may daga?
Baka may snake.
So, ganito ang peg sa airport. Wala nang mga lamesa. How's your food?
Tama siya.
Oh, go, open it.
What's your mouth chocolate?
Ano yung isa? Patingin nga na isa. Ate, ano yung isa? Patingin nga na isa. Okay, guys. So, we're waiting for our flight. And we're
Sugar rush.
eating a lot of chocolates that we got.
We're gonna turn skinny.
It's their first time. Kalal, Harper, Sarin, and si Rico. Susunod bukas. First time nila magbuhol. Ako, I think mga fourth time na. So, we're very excited.
I'm gonna
Very
eat
excited for them.
I'm
This-
gonna eat the
they're-
hills.
They're gonna eat the chocolate hills. So, there you go. Let's have fun this weekend. It's Mother's Day and it's my birthday.
Happy Mother's Day.
Mother's Day on Sunday and birthday ko on Tuesday. Yay! Yay! So, andito na ang aking partner. Sasaya kami sa Bohol.
Yes, magsasaya.
Trip
Okay.
lang tayo, di ba?
See you,
Yes.
see you, Jazz,
Yes.
Mami Ellen, Ate C,
See you all.
Bella, Tristan, and syempre yung asawa ko.
Yes.
Na nagtatrabaho muna para may pambuhol kami.
Para mabawi.
Para mabawi, ganarn.
A few moments later.
Yo, what's up?
So all throughout the flight, pag take off, nakatingin lang sila sa bintana, dalawa, nakakatawa. Excited sila mag-airplane palagi. Si Kale naman, kinakabahan daw siya. Pero okay na. Okay na siya. Guys, look at Kalel. Ay, thank you. Ang talinong bata.
Sinamis. Okay, nakala na tayo, guys. It's Bohol.
Ginabi na tayo. So,
We're here.
hi everyone, we're
Hey, guys.
here
We're in Bohol. It's Bohol
Hello,
po tayo.
mga ka-forever. And
First time ever.
Ginabi na
First-
kami and
first
susunduin
time
kami ng
ever.
Hertz Philippines. So if you're in Bohol and you want to rent a van or a service to airport and from the airport going to your resort,
kuha kami ng
get
Hertz Philippines.
Yeah. It's very international feels, di ba? Tsaka it's safe and I'm sure mabango yung mga car nila. Ang galing nito.
Siyempre,
Okay, so
magaling.
we're just waiting for our luggage.
Yay! Ever since 8 months, guys. Guys, sobrang sakit ng eyes ko.
Ever since.
Ears ko.
Ano?
Sobrang sakit ears ko.
What did I teach you?
So you're gonna-
Equalize. You have to equalize.
You're gonna do is hold your nose down.
Yeah, that's the right thing.
Or pwede mo
Good job. So,
Safety
pagdating nyo sa
first.
airport, there you go. Welcome, Meyerhofer family. Hi! Hello po! Hi, hi, hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Hertz Philippines. Let's go. Wow, Nissan. Bongga.
Bali, stickers po yung dinananggaw. Itong Nissan Terra at saka dalawang video.
Wow, tatlo pa. Grabe naman. Para sobrang dami naman. Pwede ng dalawa. Oh, go, sakay na kayo. Wow, love our car.
Kami sa Damian.
Let's go.
A few moments later.
This is Banglaw. The Shanika Resort. It's formerly South Palms. Okay.
Sila, mom.
Okay, we're here.
What's the lakes on the
Thank you, Hertz Philippines, for the airport shuttle service. So here at Oceanica, this is the former South Palms. Oh, kamusta ang biyahe nyo?
Okay lang.
Mabilis lang, di ba? Kuya, pila mo kabuok, kuya?
Ilang driver?
Dalawa lang kayo? Let's go! So there, Hertz Philippines, thank you so much for the airport shuttle service. So if you happen to visit Bohol, only trust the best. It's actually worldwide. Hertz Philippines is worldwide. So just trust the best service, airport shuttle service. The safest and the most amazing, right? Bye, Kuya! Thank you! Ito na ang free rice natin sa pag-check-in. Free rice. So, tayo, dinner na. Ito na mga rice kasama sa dinera natin.
Mami, is there a pool here?
A lot of food.
Mom, can we swim?
Yeah, you can see.
Oh my gosh, Mommy, sad toys! Sad toys! There are toys here. Pwede ko na kuha to?
Yeah.
So I heard this is the best resort here kasi pinakamahaba siyang shore ng beach. Kaya most of the talaga, may mga kids. Very kid friendly yung place na to. It's not sponsored. Pero I booked this as early as I think 2023 binuko na to kasi lagi nang fully book dito. So ngayon, ayun, buti nakakuha kami. But of course, minsan lang kami magpunta ng Bohol. I want the best for them. And for my birthday and Mother's Day. Char! Ganon. So there you go.
Open the door. Oh my gosh, ang ganda. Kita ko na.
Palito.
Ito ko
Ate,
na.
palit tayo. Baka ito yung 119. 119 to. Okay, come in. Ooh!
Uy, meron kayo dito.
Okay, tour mo na sila. I-tour mo sila.
What's up, guys? Okay, let me get this bowl.
Love the bed. It's so big.
So, ang ganda ng coffee dito.
It's super king size. California king bed. And
Slangy
this is
for
the
whatever this is.
simple CR.
King bed, and then may shower na may bulang hot tub.
It's okay kasi cool. Choosy ka pa. Be grateful. Okay.
You're the best mom ever.
Oh, thank you. Okay, go. Si ate, akin na. Ten. Okay.
Yay!
Sige.
I want Bohol. It's my dream country.
To the country. It's a country.
Let's go.
Sari!